we'll talk about supercars that make thieves hesitate the most to steal. And even if you leave these cars unlocked with the keys on the road, they will never be stolen. Moreover, if someone attempts to steal them, the third one is Bugatti Veyron, because after stealing the car, the trick is simple. Meticulously disassemble the car and carefully sell each individual part separately. But when it comes to Bugatti, even the world's most elite and skilled thieves are strongly held back. Because Bugatti comes with the world's most advanced tampering-proof GPS module. With its help, as soon as you start disassembling the car detects any tampering that you attempt and promptly calls the showroom, urgently informing them by saying, "Boss, I've been stolen and these are the ones trying to disassemble me." And these fools don't even know that my tire wrench doesn't work. They open with a special code. I've sent the location. Guys, hurry to reach. Second is Ferrari Enzo. Thieves have a plan. They try to hack the ACO, start the engine, take it for a spin, right? No bro, the real picture starts after you start the car. Because the Ferrari Enzo comes with a 6-speed automatic manual gearbox. And for your information, only 18% of people in countries like the USA know how to drive a manual car. And Ferrari itself provides training to Enzo owners on how to drive the Ferrari Enzo. And driving this car without training means the car will end up crashing and will crush your bones. Along with getting hit, it will also grind your bones. And in first place is back Puni's exhaust, just seeing which would make anyone hesitate. But when it comes to stealing it, the real excitement starts here, because actually, in a city in Europe, Jazz was about to be stolen. And at that moment, when Jazz saw no owner in the truck, a thief was sitting inside. The vehicle locked the engine, honked loudly, and flashed headlights from all directions, prompting Jazz to act. He called the headquarters and successfully saved himself. When Jazz saw no owner in the truck, a thief was sitting inside. The vehicle locked the engine, honked loudly, and flashed headlights from all directions, prompting Jazz to act. He called the headquarters and successfully saved himself.